Okay, this is Ruth. Let me turn this off. So not moving much yet. Okay.
Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Hi.
So her tail is down,
Hello.
which I'm noticing. So she's really unsure of her surroundings.
It's okay.
This actually surprises me some because with her litter mates in her regular where they're kept, she's confident and not slow to warm up to people. So she slowly crept up to McKenna and said hi, but she's still trying to figure it out. This is all brand new flooring, new smells, new toys.
You don't need to shake. It's okay.
Is she shaking?
Yeah.
See? And they figure out quickly that that's a toy, not an actual dog. So she's definitely nervous. Which, like I said, this surprises me.
How about the toys too? Look.
Yeah, why don't you sit there and encourage her and play with her. Her tail's up, though, now.
Look. He's a good girl.
And tail wagging. Okay, this is good. So it took her a couple minutes. But when they start playing with toys, when their tail goes up, they get more relaxed. She's still checking things out, taking her time, which is fine. It's not a bad trait to have.
I know, baby. What are you doing? Come here.
So she's not really playing with toys, but she was picking them up. We've got some tail wags. McKenna, why don't you get up and walk around a little bit, see if she follows you, if she watches you, just see how she reacts to. Okay, well. So, I don't know if you can see, but she's definitely watching McKenna, but she's playing with the toy at the same time. So she's aware of where she's at. All right, why don't you take that toy and toss it out?
I know, I'm sorry. I know you need a toy.
She's like, well, I'll just find another.
Puppy. Yes,
Good. So that was a
good girl.
good recall. She still came.
Good girl.
You could tell by the way she walks, she's still a little
Good
uncertain.
girl.
But she's
Oh, you found
more comfortable
toys?
now,
You found
for
more
sure.
toys? You found more toys?
So she is normally a very, very playful puppy. Plays well with people, off by herself sometimes, and with the other dogs, her litter mates as well.
Hello. Hello.
So you can see she's definitely more confident now.
Oh, hi.
Less interested in the toys. She's distracted by them for sure, but
Hi. Come here. Oh, yes, good girl.
Why don't you pick her up? Let's do her handling. She seems pretty comfortable now.
Oh. Hi.
Tell us how she feels.
She's a little tense.
A little tense? Okay. We pull on their ears, touch them really all over, tail, feet, nails. Every day we touch between their toes, their stomachs, cover their eyes, their nose. This week they're being dewormed, so we're not going to mess with their mouth today because we don't want them to think we're giving them meds right now. But she still feel a little tense?
A little.
A little bit. I found when I hold her and I hold her upside down, she will relax after a few minutes, but she does tense up at first, so this seems to be consistent with
She's
that.
a good girl.
Okay, you need to put her down.
Oh, your foot.
But yeah, you can see tail's high.
Hey, baby, come here.
See if she'll do what you ask her.
Come here. Oh, I know. Here, take a toy. Or both. Come here. Come here. Come here.
So check in how motivated she is to
Oh, man.
work for McKenna, to try and figure out what McKenna's
stop
asking of
following
her
me.
for
Stop
workability.
Stop following me. Here, can you go under?
So she is doing what McKenna asked. She also, I think, thinks it's a game, which is fine. All right, let's do the sound test.
Good girl.
A little startled, not,
Good girl.
didn't seem scared, just taken off, caught off guard. And then while she's watching, McKenna will open the umbrella.
Oh, man. Come here, baby.
Not at her though.
You gotta watch. You gotta watch. You gotta watch. Boop, 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 boop. Good girl.
Kind of.
Good girl. Good girl.
She didn't seem too bothered by that.
Good girl.
The sudden movement of the umbrella. She definitely loves those toys. Not bothered by movement of the tarp.
I know.
She definitely just is really interested in the toys and playing.
Hello.
Does she walk on that? She's going around it. See if she'll go over it
Come here.
or step on it.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Try and see, McKenna, if she'll. She still hasn't walked on the tarp. See if she will.
Come here.
Okay, there we go.
Girl. Good girl.
So she did what McKenna asked of her.
Girl. You lick
Okay.
my face. You just lick my face.
She's definitely wanting to play, and McKenna's not playing how she wants her to. So definitely still wanting to play. McKenna, you can sit up.
Hey, baby. Come here.
She
Hello.
didn't seem super concerned that something was wrong with McKenna.
Hello, baby.
You could tell by her wagging tail, her jumping on her, and then going back to the toys. And then even to me at the gate.
Oh, good.
Look at that tail wag.
Good girl.
She's a happy girl.
Where's Happy Dog?
She's a happy girl. And that's Ruth.